Welcome to the top best. The best Christmas train station is probably one of the most enchanting additions you can make to your holiday decor. These miniature marvels bring the magic of Christmas to life, offering a captivating centerpiece for your festive display. With their intricate details and charming scenes, they evoke a sense of nostalgia and wonder, making them a perfect way to celebrate the season and create lasting memories for you and your loved ones. Number 5. Christmas Village Train Station. This Christmas Village train station is meticulously handcrafted from high-quality resin. It's built to last and will be a treasured part of your Christmas decorations for years to come. Use this LED-lighted musical village as the centerpiece or add it to your Snow Village collection. It's a versatile collectible figurine that will add magic to any room. This pre-lit Christmas village is so realistic, you'll feel like you're in a winter wonderland. Add it to your indoor Christmas decorations and create a magical holiday display. It comes with warm LED lights that create a glowing ambience. Enjoy the magical music that brings the holiday spirit inside your home. It operates on batteries or a DC adapter. This exquisite Christmas Village train station makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Whether for family or friends, it's sure to bring joy and delight to any recipient. What we like? This train station is meticulously handcrafted from high-quality resin, ensuring it will be a treasured part of your Christmas decorations for years. The realistic design and warm LED lights create a magical ambience, bringing the holiday spirit into your home. If you are looking for a centerpiece that combines artistry and enchantment, you should consider this one. What people say. It plays music, lights up, and the fire truck even moves. We'll definitely buy from them again. Number 4. Bachmann Village Streetcar Christmas Auto Reversing Set. Introducing the complete, ready-to-run holiday streetcar set. It's perfect for your detailed holiday village train layouts, and it's ready to go right out of the box. This set includes a beautifully decorated streetcar. The car features festive holiday decorations, headlights, and a warmly lighted interior. The set comes with Bachmann's nickel-silver auto-reversing EZ track. This makes setup simple and allows the streetcar to automatically change directions. It's an on-30 scale model, a narrow-gauge model that runs on HO track. This allows it to fit seamlessly into your existing layouts. This set complements Department 56 and Lemax village buildings. It's the perfect addition to create a charming holiday scene. What we like? This set is a complete, ready-to-run holiday streetcar, perfect for detailed holiday village train layouts. It includes a festive streetcar with headlights and a lighted interior, along with auto-reversing EZ track. If you want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution to add a charming train to your village, you should choose this. What people say. Well made and works flawlessly. The trolley is beautifully decorated. The setup instructions are clear and the track, power pack and trolley are very easy to set up. Number 3. LEGO Winter Village Station 10259 Building Kit. This festive LEGO set brings the charm of a snowy train station to life. It includes a detailed station with a clock tower and a cozy coffee shop. The set comes with 5 minifigures, including a bus driver and a ticket agent. They are ready to welcome you to the winter wonderland. The station features a platform, ticket counter, and a grade crossing with lights. You can see the details of the station. The set also includes a bus with festive decorations and opening doors. It has a luggage rack and a removable roof for interior access. The Winter Village station measures over 7 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It's a perfect addition to your Winter Village display. What we like? This LEGO set offers a highly detailed Winter Village station, complete with a bus, minifigures, and a coffee shop. It allows you to build a complex and engaging scene, perfect for display or play. If you love building and want a fun, interactive addition to your holiday village, you should consider this one. What people say. The train station makes an amazing addition to the LEGO Winter Village sets. It has cool little details that really add to the train station: a ticket counter, newsstand, hot chocolate coffee window, a bench for waiting passengers, and a holiday bus to bring passengers to the station. It's a fun build for one thing. Many different elements come together to make a unique structure. I had the holiday train set, and wanted something to accent that. The Winter Village station fits the need perfectly. Fun details like an espresso machine, train tickets, and cash register. Number 2. Lemax East Junction Station, battery-operated LED. Welcome to the East Junction Station. This charming building is perfect for your Christmas village. It's a delightful addition to any holiday display. This station is battery-operated, making it easy to place anywhere in your village. The LED lights add a warm glow, enhancing the festive atmosphere. The building features a snow-covered brick design, complete with luggage outside. It's a classic Christmas scene, ready to bring joy to your home. Notice the train stoplight, adding a touch of realism. This porcelain building is a wonderful piece for collectors and families alike. This piece is perfect for your Christmas village collection. It's a beautiful and detailed building that will become a cherished part of your holiday traditions. What we like. This Lemax station features a charming snow-covered brick building adorned with Christmas wreaths and decor, made of porcelain. It is designed to be a perfect addition to your Christmas village collection. If you are looking for a classic, beautifully crafted building to enhance your village, you should choose this one. What people say. Beautiful piece. Very well made, colorful and festive. So pleased to find a train depot that's not for a character. Very detailed. Will look great with my train. Number 1. Lego Creator Expert Winter Village Cottage 10229. This charming cottage is perfect for a cozy winter scene. It comes with everything you need to create a festive atmosphere. Get ready to enjoy the holidays. The set includes 8 minifigures, including Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, and 3 children. They are all ready to celebrate the season. It's a perfect family gathering. Inside, you'll find a fireplace with a Lego light brick function, a chandelier, and a Christmas tree. The set also includes gifts and an armchair. It is a warm and cozy place. Use the Lego light brick to make the fireplace glow. It adds a special touch to the scene. This feature brings the cottage to life. The storage shed features tools and firewood elements. There is also a kitten and an owl. They add more details to the scene. This set is perfect for creating a festive holiday display. It's a great way to celebrate the season. You will love it. What we like. This Lego cottage features a fireplace with a Lego light brick function, along with a detailed interior and storage shed. It includes multiple minifigures, allowing for storytelling and imaginative play. If you like building and want a cozy, interactive addition to your winter village, you should consider this one. What people say. The set is well constructed, fits together well, is of a sensible scale, and has a tremendous amount of detail. The light brick in the fireplace was a great bonus, and really lit up the house. There are so many cute details: light-up fireplace, swinging Christmas stockings, tiny chainsaw, and tools in the wood shop. It's a great starter set for anyone building a Lego Christmas village. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.